Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down and find the apps. Now let's scroll down and tap on Special App Access and localize the option Install Unknown Apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So let's change it for the Chrome. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is, the Chrome is allowed to install the apps. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.